Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay. About 2 weeks ago, I showed you all like a travel duffel bag that I was gonna use. It was quilted. It was kind of cute, but it picked up so much lint. I sent that thing back, and I got me another one. This is how it looks. It don't even have a name to it, y'all. It just says handmade. Enjoy travel, handmade workshop, limited edition. Anyway, this is how this one looks. I'm gonna show y'all all the specifics of it. Of course, it has this double strap, and it goes over my shoulder. I like to carry stuff on my shoulder rather than crossbody, but it does have a long adjustable strap just in case. Okay, so I can go crossbody. Okay, what it had to have for me to travel with was this sleeve that go over the handle of my suitcase. See? And it has a zipper pocket. Okay. I wouldn't put nothing important in that pocket because I might make a mistake and think I'm putting it in the pocket and I'm putting it straight through. I can see that happening. So, okay, the other side, it has a deep pocket, 3 deep pockets. You can put umbrella, water bottles. So it's 3 slots. Okay. So I'm gonna open it. It has the double zipper. Heavy duty zippers. This is how it looks inside. It's light so you can find stuff easier. There's so many pockets. 1, 2. 2 pockets on one side. Big inner space. It's about how much? 6 inches wide, 7 inches. And the other side has a zipper compartment. And it's all like waterproof fabric in case you want to put your swimming suit in there, wet clothes or whatever. So this zipper compartment, very deep. And I like how the zippers, they close so easily. Nothing snagging. And let me zip this up. That just snagged. Okay. Okay, this, if you want to extend the size of it, you unsnap that. So snap on that side. If you want to put a lot of stuff in your bag, unsnap it on each side. That makes it taller. And if that ain't enough space, the bottom unzips. To extend it another, how many inches is that? 4 inches? So you start out with one size and end up with a big old bag if you want to. Look at that. I will leave the link to this. Okay, so like I said, I don't know if that's the name of it or not, handmade, but I like it a lot. So I'm going to loop this over my carry-on suitcase. And I'll probably put my purse inside of here, because you're allowed one carry-on, the carry-on luggage plus another carry-on. So I put my purse in here. So this is what it looks like, and I like it. And I try to keep everything in black, since my wheeled suitcase is black. And my suitcase will fit in the overhead bin on the airplane. And for those of y'all who don't know, I'm going to Playa del Carmen, August the 1st. Can't wait. I'll be with my daughter. It's actually my birthday present from my oldest daughter, Nicole. And I'll be with my sister, Lucretia. Okay, thumbnail. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. I know Amazon is sick of me sending stuff back. And they actually have started charging to send certain things back. So I just go to Kohl's. They don't charge yet. And they'll pack up your stuff and send it back. If it ain't right, I'm not going to keep it. Okay? So, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.